Experiencing a constant reboot loop in your Mazda CX-5's infotainment system? You're not alone. This issue, primarily affecting 2017-2024 models with Mazda Connect, involves the system endlessly restarting, displaying the Mazda logo briefly before looping again. This is generally a software glitch within the Android-based system that controls navigation, audio, and connectivity. A key cause is outdated firmware that runs into a conflict during startup or corrupted cache data. Mazda has addressed this through software updates, but older models might require hardware fixes. The good news is that the frequency of this issue is decreasing with each update released. Here's how to attempt to fix the reboot loop. First, ensure your system is updated to version 59.55A or later, either over the air via Wi-Fi or through a USB update from the Mazda website. If the update fails to resolve the issue, try a battery pull reset. Disconnect the negative terminal of your car battery for 10 to 15 minutes. This resets the electrical system and can clear temporary glitches. If these DIY fixes don't work, a faulty USB port or more serious hardware issue may be at play, needing the attention of a Mazda service center. Replacement of the infotainment unit can range from $500 to $1,200. Regular system updates are important for long-term prevention.